Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Dirt Bike Handyman. I'm Nelson. Today's video we're going to be unboxing a bunch of tools I ordered from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. I'm a guy, can never have too many tools. My toolboxes start to burst from the seams. Oh, one other thing before I forget. Good friend of mine just launched his first video on here on YouTube. It's called PD in the Wild, so if camping in the wilderness. If you guys are into that, check it out. Awesome video. Anyways, let's get started and check out what I ordered. There we go. Let's check this out. Let's dig in. A lot of Tusk products over here. Fork cap wrench. One side's a 50 mil, and the other side I'm not quite sure. Also from Tusk, seal driver for the front forks. Motion Pro torque wrench adapter. Need that for the cylinder. Another product from Tusk, Flywheel puller. This one's a 27 millimeter. Also from Tusk, these pins are for the flywheel, and over here, these here are for the clutch basket for installation. From Motion Pro to remove the valve core. Another product from Tusk, spring puller. Bonus sticker. Best part of buying new tools or products. Also from Tusk, crank puller installation tool. I'll be opening up these boxes in a sec. Just want to get everything out of the big box first. From Tusk as well, crankcase splitter. And also from Tusk, wheel balancing and tuning stand. Let's get this out of the way. Also, what came inside the box, a bunch of instructions for all the tools. And here at the end, this one will definitely hide from the wife. The invoice, or the receipt I should say. Ouch. Yeah, she don't need to know that. This here is an engine stand from Motorsport Products. Assembly instructions. Very nice. A little nick over here. Another one over here, another big scratch. I'm sure I'll be putting a lot more scratches on it myself. So far, I'm quite impressed. We'll do another video later on assembling it, show you the finished product after it's all put together. Alright, let's open up these guys. Here we go. Nice, very good. crankcase puller. More stickers. Never have enough of those. I'll be showing how to use it when I'm splitting the cases and then putting everything back together. It's all scratched up here. I'll do another video later on assembling this seal driver. .46mm to 47. You'd think I was sponsored by Tusk. I wish. Nope, I paid for everything myself. I'm quite impressed. And certain tools you can't cheap out. Especially with pullers, a lot of tools. You cheap out, they're gonna fail. Yeah, there are some tools that I could get away with. I really don't need an engine stand. Just makes life a lot easier when you're putting everything back together. The wheel balancing and tuning, same thing. I can do that on the bike. Just makes life easier. I like having this stuff. What can I say? Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.